Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us take a look once again, this time with a little bit of Mr. Gill narration, at the basics for formatting your paper properly for MLA. As you can see, I have a bunch of writing here, but I haven't yet added anything that is specific to MLA format. Let us begin by putting your standard heading at the top left of the paper. You start with the student name, followed by the teacher name, the class name, and the date. Then you need to come over to the center so you can put in your title. I'm choosing to use the center button right here. One could also choose the shortcut Control and the letter E. My title, I'm going to call it Trying to Wake Up. Please remember that you want your title to not be something like the word essay. That would be bad. Make the title actually relevant to your paper content. Now, I want to change the line spacing to double-spaced. You could click and drag through it all, but an easier way is simply hold down the Control key and press the number 2. Now notice it only did it for those paragraphs. So what I want to do instead is select everything first with Edit, Select All, which as you can see there is Control A, and then do Control and the number 2, or go here to change my line spacing as well. Double line spacing therefore is a blank line between each line of text. Next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to change your margins to 1-inch margins all the way around. If you go up to the Layout tab, you simply find the margin button and change it to normal. Top 1 inch, left 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, right 1 inch. As you can see here from the ruler, it is now 1 inch on the left and 1 inch on the right. Okay? So, next, ladies and gentlemen, we want to go ahead and insert a heading. Insert a header. So if I double click up here, it takes me to the header area. Back on the home ribbon, you can see I am currently aligned to the right. If you happen to be aligned to the left, you want to make it aligned to the right. And you go ahead and type in your last name, space, and back on header and footer tab, you go ahead and insert a page number. Then, if we double click back in the main section of our text, you can scroll down and see that your second page automatically changes the number appropriately. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's basically it, but there is one more little issue I do want to talk about. Sometimes you might find someone who has their computer set up, just going to highlight a few paragraphs here, to where there's already some spacing between the paragraphs. So if I go here to Format Paragraph, notice please I do not have any spacing after the paragraph. Some of you might see 6-point afterward, which if I do that, everything looks a little too spread out. So again, on Format Paragraph, we want it to say 0 before and 0 after. That's basically it for your standard MLA format. Once again, the heading includes your name, teacher name, class name, the date, and an original title. Thank you for watching.